Open the WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugin. Click Add New Plugin. Search Login Customizer. Then click the first. Click Install, then Activate. Click Login Customizer. Click ColorLib Login Customizer. Then click the templates. Select the template. Edit the page and select image for custom background. Choose from media library or upload new one. Then select Logo. Change the size or color if need. Click the Layout option, click Background option if need any changes. Click General Form option for general editing like padding, border, or shadow. Then click Login Form. Click Form buttons for buttons layout. Then click the Publish. Click the link in the bio to sign up wplearning101.com and start learning WordPress today.